guys, welcome back. So the time has finally come. We are finally watching the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and I am not looking forward to this at all. She has actually seen it before,
yes,
and she
but
actually,
I don't remember it.
And she actually has not.
Yeah.
And I started to watch the very beginning of it, and then I chickened out. So I still have yet to conquer this movie. So here are my two special guests. I got Elizabeth over here, and Emma on this side. And so we decided what better way to celebrate Thanksgiving than with a family that cooks homemade chili using people. And plus, from what I know, Leatherface's family is pretty close. So I don't know what else you could expect out of a Thanksgiving special.
Exactly.
So this is what we're doing. And
family.
And yeah, family that cooks together stays together. And also, you guys got to meet Harold in my Sleeping Beauty video. Well, this is the OG hippo, Winston, because I am definitely going to need him to get through this movie. So, without further ado, unless either of you have anything you would like to add.
No, I'm ready.
Good. All right, this is Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
The film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths.
Okay, yeah, I do remember that this is... it takes place after all the events. Oh, Jessica Biel in her heyday.
Look, Emma, it's a van like you want.
I know, I want that car.
Guys, relax. It's not like we don't have 2 pounds of shit.
Baby, please tell me that we did not go to Mexico by plot.
What else did you think they were going
Pretty
for?
sure that's why you went to Mexico.
Look out!
I do remember what's getting ready to come.
They're all dead.
Oh my god, I am way too stoned for this.
Hospital, okay?
You know what? Give me the vaguest idea where there is one. We'll go.
I won't go back.
Back where?
He's a bad man. He's a really bad man.
I hate in movies where people do this. They just don't explain anything.
She's too traumatized.
You're all gonna die.
Grab it!
Oh no! Oh my god!
I forgot that part.
Wow. All right, Pepper, now you're just being a drama queen.
She had brain on her shoulder.
I've never seen anybody die before.
Guys shouldn't have just went in the wrong direction.
That's true. They should have listened to her.
We're gonna have to call the cops, I guess.
Are you kidding me? Oh, police officers, please. As you inspect the crime scene, which is now our van, please ignore the colorful pinata filled with marijuana.
You don't scream about pot and dead bodies out loud.
Number one.
I don't think the people in the other town heard ya.
What the fuck are you doing?
Bury it.
See, hide it, and then you can go.
Oh. No, just bury it. Don't
You can go back.
throw it.
So,
Maybe the cows need it more than they do right now.
You just can't throw this shit out.
Right? I just said that.
Worst druggies ever. It's kind of reminding me of Twilight, you know, when like Edward was standing right behind Bella.
Oh my gosh, they cover a newspaper. Don't
Yeah.
stop there. It's a bad idea. Oh. Don't like that. I think at least he's legit more upset that his girlfriend's mad at him than they're
Yeah, no
The fact
sexy
that there's,
time for
like-
him tonight.
right, a dead chick in his
Yeah.
van.
ma'am, we need to report a suicide.
Something like this comes along, makes folks realize how crazy the world is out there.
Okay.
She's so calm about it.
Like it happens every day.
Oh.
That's disgusting.
Don't like that.
I'm sorry, but how often do girls just blow their heads off in this shithole town?
At least 3 times a week.
He's the only one speaking sense.
Yeah.
Is she? She's not wearing a bra, is she? That's ridiculous.
Nope. It's the 70s. Burning their bras and stuff.
I guess she burned hers.
Oh, but that's That's what we were talking about, Emma. The body just flopping around if you take the corner too fast.
Why were you guys talking about bodies flopping
Because
around?
they're weird.
If we forgot...
Is there something you need to know, Elizabeth?
She's like, it would be so funny.
If we forgot to secure our body in our hearse and we took a corner too fast, the body would just like flop up against the window. Wait, are they at the mill? That doesn't look like a mill.
I don't know, I got distracted by you talking
I
about
know.
flying bodies.
I think we should drop off the body and get the hell out of here.
Agreed. Agreed.
Maybe she's dead. I really don't think it matters where we leave her.
Well, it matters to me, if that means anything.
Well, this bitch is gonna pay for it later now.
Right? Like, come on. Listen to the dude with glasses. He's smarter.
I just saw something moving.
I just saw something. It's trying to scare me into leaving.
Aaron, come on.
What the hell?
Do you ever see like those different versions of like white people? Like, I'm gonna go take a look at
That's
that
a white person
people.
thing right there.
Yeah.
Right there. Quippy and white. Walk away.
Give me something to hold. It's awesome.
Give me something to hold the door. Are you kidding me?
Promise you won't hurt me.
Big red flag.
Just say no.
My name's Aaron.
Jedediah.
Okay, the mother in me feels really bad for him. The horror movie aficionado is saying run like hell.
I feel like the kid's gonna end up biting one of them or
Like,
something.
right, like
I
go
know,
in
his
the
teeth look
opposite
sketch.
direction.
So we're waiting here for the sheriff. Do you know where he is?
Home. Getting drunk.
Does he live around here?
What are they gonna do? Like, deliver the body to
Right?
his house?
Like, where's his house?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Can we drive there from here?
Road don't go there. Short walk though.
How do I get to the sheriff's?
I just feel like all the red flags could be like smacking them in the face, and they're like, nope, not enough.
I feel like this is the commercial where they hide behind the chainsaws.
Sheriff don't live here. You can call him if you want to.
I don't know. From what I know about these films, I think isn't the whole town kind of like in cahoots?
Yeah, I think so. There's the sheriff.
That's just an educated guess, but my money says your dead body's right there in that van.
No wonder he's the sheriff.
30 minutes? Believe me, we will be there.
So he didn't really call the sheriff's then.
Nope.
Wait, can you help me out back here?
Oh no. No.
Stupid. Oh, what is that?
Oh.
I'm so scared.
Okay, you stupid guy. Get in there. There's no way I would... What is she doing? He's feeling her butt.
Jesus.
Why is he just... What is he doing?
I don't know. I think you'd be saying her name.
Oh.
Huh. Well, let's get her wrapped up.
So professional.
With saran wrap?
Why does he look excited?
You expect me to do this by myself?
This is official police procedure in the 70s.
Oh my god.
Something wrong?
Where is he?
Okay, she's not questioning how he got back in his wheelchair. I mean, he was just helpless 5 seconds ago.
Yeah, I'm sure he's just hiding from you, just for the hell of it.
Right?
Kipper!
You notice her shirt changes? Like sometimes it'll be higher up and sometimes it'll be lower.
You know, this was partly based on the story of Ed Gein, who actually did make like lampshades and stuff out of skin.
Yeah.
Kipper!
How far is Boobies McGee gonna walk to find Kemper?
The hell is that?
Why'd he just like whistle and snap at her? I didn't even notice that.
There's nobody even here.
But they don't think that's weird that that just happened? I have a butt shot.
I know, I was just gonna say that.
They have pigs everywhere.
Don't like that.
I don't know. I would be on a mission.
Why the heck would you touch it?
Let me just touch this bloody looking pot.
I just gotta make sure.
Why is he...
Oh, he's definitely in the fridge. It's a good thing you checked there.
Right, like why are we opening the fridge? Okay, you're on a mission. Find Kemper.
Andy?
Ow. Way to just call out your friend, letting him know he's in there.
Come on, boy. Bring it.
Oh, it's already been brought.
She's holding off the Chainsaw Massacre. You knocked the paralyzed guy out of his wheelchair. Come on.
They have a lot of sheets.
I was gonna say, how many sheets are there?
Oh, God!
Wait, how does Chainsaw just go quiet, though?
Oh.
Oh, there's the...
Can't watch that. Fingernails get me. Mm-mm.
Oh, so that was the scratches from the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong, Aaron? Are you okay?
Where's the gun?
Come on. Aaron, what's going on?
Oh, car doesn't work.
Run. Oh. Oh, he's gonna stop the bleeding. He's gonna cauterize it. He doesn't want him to die yet.
How considerate of him.
Take the gun and show me how she did it.
This is not how cops act.
Take the gun from him and shoot him.
Not
Doesn't
loaded.
have to be in the head, just be in the shoulder.
Please don't.
Boy, there you go.
You're a dummy. Shoot
You
him.
have the gun. Shoot the cop.
Yeah, what the heck?
I bet you
You
it's
have
not
the upper
loaded.
hand.
I'm guessing it's not
This is
loaded.
the stupidest
Never
thing
seen a
ever.
weapon go off without somebody's finger on the fucking trigger.
Marietta, what's going
Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him.
on? You okay?
You girls stay
It's
in
not
the
loaded. I know it's not.
Pull the fucking trigger!
It's not loaded. Yep. I knew it.
Ah!
Ourselves a killer. Only this time, you killed the sheriff.
Oh no. Oh.
I can't handle this.
That's traumatic.
I mean, I don't blame the sheriff. He almost died. I guess he's allowed to drink.
Get her. Hell out. My God, how about that? We got something in common, don't we? Well, what are you gonna do with your tickets now, hotshot?
You can have him.
Is that bribery?
What the heck?
Oh, look at you. How about that?
I feel like I need to learn how to hotwire a car.
I always think that.
What? Oh, they made it far.
Listen to the tire. Oh, Pepper's gonna get it. We knew that though.
Why'd she stand in the truck or van?
Oh no.
I don't know. Get out of the van now.
Run. Oh no. She has Kipper. He had Kipper's face.
Oh my god.
Oh, that doesn't look safe.
I would be so frantic. I wouldn't know what to do. You gotta know there's a problem when they're not even like, what's wrong?
I know, right?
okay,
Like, that
just
should be your
have a
first clue that
seat.
something is not right.
He's no harm. He always keeps to himself. Skin disease. Didn't you look at his face?
No, I just saw my boyfriend's.
Right?
Here, it's just right. Come.
Don't drink it. Don't do it.
Oh, good God.
Oh.
Oh, she'll be reunited with her friend.
Oh, why is there water there? Just have like a sink thing and they can fix it?
They don't look like the type that keep up on repairs on the house.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Look, he gave him something to do to keep himself occupied.
He can play piano with his toes.
Oh, you
God,
fucking bitch! Why are you pulling? I'm just gonna pull on you.
Oh, sorry.
You are tearing me apart, Lisa!
Please, finish it.
I can't!
Be like, well, bitch, you're only making it worse.
Oh, what's she gonna do? Stab him or slit his throat?
I don't know. She better do it the right way.
Right, like don't botch this, okay?
She'll make him suffer.
You have one job. Do it right.
Do it!
Oh, no, that's not how you do it. What are you doing?
Why she gonna
Stab his crotch?
his stomach? Oh, come on, lady.
What the heck is...
That's not killing him. That's hurting him. No, she's just gonna let him bleed out.
Okay, now take the knife out so you can kill the other guy.
Oh, she'll probably leave it in. Yep.
Dumb. Ew.
Shit. It's him. It's him. I didn't know he was there. This is a really big basement.
Oh,
Yes!
He said he was gonna bite!
I didn't think it was gonna be Leatherface
He
though.
looked like a bite. You're right.
They're going to another freaking house.
That's what I was
Obviously.
thinking. Like, what are you doing?
You find a ditch or something, lay in it.
Like, just
for a
hide
while.
in the grass.
That's what I'm thinking. That's why I said find a ditch.
It's like
lay
lay
there.
flat. Oh, now he knows you're in there.
Bro, he has a chainsaw!
She's just gonna hide him in the closet. He'll never look there. It's foolproof.
I wonder why she put, because there's enough room
Yeah, I know.
that she put him there and her there.
It's just a rat.
Yeah, mice and rats don't creep me out as much as
Right,
like,
it's
other
just
people.
a rat. It's fine. Leatherface, rat.
Those rats are pretty frisky though. I love how she's like,
Right?
bang on the wall.
Oh gosh, you gotta be right there.
His eyeball.
Too quiet.
Yep, take the chainsaw. This stupid
Oh,
woman.
pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
She's an actual idiot.
This hurts to watch.
What?
Oh my god!
His eyeball!
This is making me mad!
What the heck?
Oh my, you just killed your friend.
Oh
Holy-
no, he loves hooks. He found one. What is wrong with him?
Would he really hang? I don't think a chandelier would hold.
I think so either. Even if. Oh god.
That's on
Oh
you.
god. Oh
That is
god.
on
Oh
you,
god.
bitch.
Oh god.
Oh my god. That is one of the dumbest
That was the
moves
Like
in
the
movie
chainsaw
history.
was right there.
No, I'll just use my fists and pound.
Yeah, she like what the?
Not even her fish. She was
This is
like,
so stupid. They all deserve to die.
Oh, so frustrated.
Stop it, Leatherface.
Oh, he's cut himself.
Right. That's what you get.
Keep running.
I like how her shirt's still knotted perfectly, though.
Is she actually stupid?
Yeah, she's actually stupid. What is happening right now?
Why?
I don't remember this part, nor do I understand.
I mean, this isn't really going to lead you to civilization, but okay. What do I know?
How did he chase her with his leg cut that fast? Again, the chainsaw was right there.
I mean, there looks like some weapons, but...
I don't know. I'm just like, Lord, give me more brains than this.
I know. Now I know why the girl in the beginning killed herself.
I don't know. As we would say to Sal,
I'd rather just kill myself than trust me with these people.
oh, well, okay. She's had worse ideas. Oh. He dropped his chainsaw again. Pick it up.
Mommy, what team are you rooting for here? oh, I thought you were talking about
I'm rooting for her.
Yeah.
I'm not like, Leatherface, pick up your chainsaw.
That's what I thought you meant. Go, Leatherface, go! Oh my god, she picked up something.
I mean, to be honest, if he were to get beat by her, that would be pretty bad. She's pretty dumb. I don't know how it ends, so I have no memory of that. No, she'll do something dumb like bust out. See?
Yeah, you yell and then cover your mouth.
This is so stupid. Why
No,
is she so
this is
stupid?
smart. She wants them to start looking. She's going to be preemptive here.
I got some of Winston's hair in my mouth.
Okay, that son of a bitch.
What?
Oh, it's a pig.
How did he end up in
Oh,
there?
cut his arm off. That's right. Oh, right for the face.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, good God.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no.
But then Leatherface has to use the chainsaw with one hand.
Do not
How
get in the truck.
Hey, she's acting like the other girl.
Leave without and drive away.
Lock the doors. Don't let him get in. Or get out and run towards danger. Whatever. Whatever works for you. Hot fire at 18 wheels?
I don't know.
She's not trying to hotwire the 18
I'm going to add that to my list
No,
of things
she's trying to do the
research.
police car.
Oh, she's trying to hotwire the police car.
Yeah.
That makes more sense.
But I do want to know if you can hotwire an 18-wheeler now.
Yeah, I'm curious.
Yes!
I would back up. Yes, back up! Yes! Oh, no, back up!
Oh, this dude! Was he not dead?
We're gonna go move into the actual furnace room.
What year is this supposed to take place? Like the... Because the family doesn't live there anymore? Are they gonna die?
I don't know. Oh, no! What?
The crime scene was not properly secured by Travis County Police.
One, two, three.
Okay. My eyeballs are watering. Oh my god.
Okay, so it wasn't as gory and stuff as I thought it was gonna be.
I thought it was...
I mean, the hook part was still pretty gross.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But-
the hooks were awful.
But yeah, so I definitely think we should watch more. I know there was like a 3D one.
We should
What?
watch...
There's a 3D one?
Yeah.
We should watch the original
A
one,
Texas
too.
Chainsaw Massacre?
Mm-hmm.
There's a 3D Freddy.
No, there was definitely a 3D one.
Oh god. I don't know about that one, but...
No, overall though, I didn't think it was that bad. I mean, yeah, the main girl is pretty stupid, but
I think it followed like all of the traditional horror movie like tropes, right?
I mean, it was 2003, so
yeah,
still during that time.
You had the sexy protagonist. You had the crazy, villain.
Had all the red flags were there.
Right, all the red flags were there. They still chose to like hide behind the chainsaw.
Yeah, made bad decisions.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I think overall it was a good, just classic horror movie.
Yes. Yeah. So I survived. Emma survived.
We survived.
Yeah, you guys did it. Yay!
That was... Whew.
That was intense though.
It was. It was.
There's intense parts, I have to say, even for me. Because I didn't remember the majority of it. So even for me, it was like, I forgot.
And actually, surprisingly, for a 2003 horror movie, like, I didn't even think the acting was all that bad. It was pretty convinciceable. Like, oh my god, what was the glasses guy's name?
Okay, look. I'm
Morgan.
40 years old. So you're talking about 2000. For 2003, it was pretty good. Give me a break.
No, I just meant because, like, the 90s and, like, the early 2000s, like, horror movies, that's when they were kind of hitting their rut. That's kind of what I meant.
They were a little campy during that time, I guess, but
like, even Morgan, like, when his lips were, like, trembling because he was, like, so scared, like, I don't know.
I thought it was good.
It was definitely believable.
Okay. Have you seen Nightmare on Elm Street?
The original?
Yes.
Yes. I mean, it's been a long time, but yes.
Oh, okay.
Me and my sister watched it together.
So I was like, we have to do that one then.
I mean, we can. I would watch it again. I don't really remember too much.
I haven't seen it, so.
Oh, okay.
Emma hasn't
I was gonna
seen
say
it.
the one part I remember, but I won't say.
Right. No, we definitely, I feel like the three of us should watch that one.
All right. So I guess we're doing a lot of horror movies.
Camping, right? We have to rewatch that one.
Yes. All right. So we'll add that to the list.
Okay, got it.
All right. So until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.